Hi, my name is Senora Corrales. Welcome to Hill Murray. I represent the Spanish Club. Spanish Club is open to all students that are in Spanish, and we meet about once a month. And we're an open club, so you come to activities that you are able to come to, and you don't have to come to a minimum number. Everyone is welcome. You just sign up, and then you come on in. So we hope to see you there.
Hi, I'm Miss Luna. I'm the other sponsor of Spanish Club, and so we meet once a month. We do activities that have to do with like Hispanic Heritage Month. We do Day of the Dead activities, Christmas stuff, Easter stuff. So if you're interested in any of those kind of things, right now we're kicking off Hispanic Heritage Month with Loteria, which is Mexican bingo, making ojos de Dios, God's eyes, and paper mache flowers. So hope to see you guys here.